Let's be honest. There's nothing worse than getting a return sent to your home address when you really needed it to go to your warehouse. Maybe you sell from home, but need returns to go somewhere else. Or you just don't want customers sending things back to your personal mailbox. Either way, if you've ever had a package lost because the return address was wrong, you know exactly how frustrating that is. So here's the good news. eBay lets you set up a separate return address, and it only takes about a minute. Let me show you exactly how to do it. We'll start from your eBay profile, click through to Settings, find the Addresses section, and add a brand new return address from scratch. Super straightforward stuff. Let's get into it. All right, first things first, go ahead and log into your eBay account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look up at the top left corner of the page. You'll see a link that says My eBay. Click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and right at the bottom of that list, you'll see Profile. Okay, go ahead and click that too. Now, you're looking at your main profile page. What we need is the Settings area. Over on the left side of the screen, there's a column with a few options. Look for the one that says Profile Settings and click on it. This is where eBay keeps all the behind-the-scenes account stuff, your personal info, your preferences, and yes, your addresses. So, now that we're in Profile Settings, you'll see a menu on the left with a few different categories. One of them is called Addresses. Click on that. This is the section where eBay stores every address connected to your account. Shipping, billing, returns, all of it. You might see a few addresses already listed here, but we're specifically looking for the return address section. Scroll down the page a bit, past your primary shipping address and any other saved locations. Keep going until you see a heading that says Return Address. If you've never set one up before, it'll probably be blank or show your default shipping address. That's the issue. We want to change that. Right next to that heading, you'll see a small button that says Add. Click that. This is where the magic happens. A new form will pop up. It looks pretty much like any address form you filled out online. You'll need to enter the full address where you want returns sent. That means the street address, city, state, zip code, and country. And here's a little tip. Double-check everything before you move on. I've made the mistake of typing a wrong zip code in the past, and it can delay a return by days. So take an extra 10 seconds to make sure it's all right. You'll also notice there's a field for a name or company name. If you're a business seller, this might be your business name. If you're an individual, you can just put your name. Either works. Once you've filled everything in, look down at the bottom of the form. There's a Save button. Give that a click. You should see a quick confirmation that the address has been saved. And that's it. You're done. Now, from here on out, when a buyer initiates a return on one of your listings, the return label will show this new address instead of your personal home address. That means packages will go exactly where you need them, and you won't have to worry about lost boxes or confused delivery drivers. In my experience, this is one of those small settings that makes a huge difference when you're selling regularly. So take a moment to make sure it's set up properly. You can always come back here and change it later if your situation changes. Thanks for sticking with me through this one. Hopefully now you feel a little more confident managing your eBay returns. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. And I'll catch you in the next one.